everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing some cleaning upstairs and also a pre-Christmas toy declutter. I always like to go through the toys and see what can be gotten rid of before the kids get more stuff for Christmas. But today was a Sunday and I'm trying to designate Sunday for cleaning the upstairs because I feel like it needs its own day or else it gets ignored a little bit. So I'm starting out in my room and changing the sheets, as I've also been trying to change our sheets every Sunday as well.
I saw your mama just the other day. She looked glad to see me again. Do you remember when I used to come over to your house every day? Still remember the smell of your car when you drove me down to that lake. Felt so good staying up all night, that will forever be our place. And I know it's been a long time since we were together. There's a special place in my heart that's yours forever. If I could fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, I'd fly. Sometimes it feels like you just wanna run. It's easier than facing your own doubts, but it will catch you no matter how far you go. It haunts you every night. I tried so hard to forget what we had, but then something reminds me of you. Do you remember the necklace you gave me? I wear it every day. And oh, it's been a long time since we were together, but there's a special place in my heart that's yours forever. If I could fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, I'd fly if I could fly.
The heat just came on where I am right now, so if you hear some humming in the background, that's what that is. I've been making it a point to not let things collect on top of the dresser. So, like if I do have clothes there that need to be put away, I try to put them away that day. Otherwise, if I let things stay there, I'm more likely to add more stuff, and soon there's a bunch of random stuff that needs to be put away. And I feel like the top of the dresser looks so much nicer when it's not cluttered.
Fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, I'd Not long ago you got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes.
I had to stop cleaning for a second here and show you the sunset because it was just looking so pretty. It was casting this gorgeous pink light into the room, and it was just really nice to stop and enjoy that for a minute. I get a lot of questions about my vacuum, so to let you guys know, it's called the Shark Rocket Deluxe Pro, ultralight, upright, corded stick vacuum. Long name, I know, but I love this vacuum. It's perfect for what I need to use it for. It does hard floors and carpets, although I will say it's not good for high pile shag type carpets, but the carpeting we have upstairs and our area rugs downstairs, it does great on. And I love how easy it is to do stairs with. I've had it for over 2 years now, and I've had no issues with it.
It's like your fire is gone across your face. It is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more.
Now into my son's room. I had just changed his sheets less than a week ago, so I didn't change them again, but I did just give him a clean pillowcase, and I tried to make his bed the best I could. I can't wait to take his bed rails off because those are such a pain to make the bed with them on. The main thing I needed to do in his room was declutter the toys. I had started working on this the other day when I had some time. I just made a pile of the toys I was going to take out of his room. Some of them are toys that are grown out of and will be donated. Others are ones that just don't get played with enough to keep them in the room. So what I like to do is take those toys and put them into the garage as sort of a halfway point before I get rid of them for good, just to make sure we don't decide to keep any of them a little longer. I couldn't bring the toys downstairs yet though without the kids trying to see what was in the bag, so I just put it all into a black garbage bag, put it in the closet, and then I'll take it out of the room when I have a good opportunity to do that.
I know it did you wrong, wish I could take your pain away, 'cause I hate seeing tears streaming down your face. I know you're strong, won't feel this way for long, no. If you wanna go out, we can go out. Just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, brave, brave.
Then I got to work on the bathroom, and it is so small in both of our bathrooms, so it's hard to record in them, but I tried my best.
If you wanna go out, we can go out. Brave, brave, brave. We can hide away just for one night. Brave, brave.
I didn't end up cleaning the inside of the toilet because it didn't really need it yet, but I just used antibacterial wipes to wipe down the rest of it.
Hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know.
For the sink, I'm just using up the rest of this Windex with vinegar multi-purpose cleaner. And then I think I'm gonna get another bottle of the CLR bath and kitchen cleaner for upstairs because I like that one.
You only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave.
and Sprayway is definitely the best glass cleaner I've found.
Say you think about me because I'm starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reason. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up.
Then I just finished up by vacuuming the hallway, and now at least the upstairs of the house is nice and clean. And the nice part is that we don't really use the upstairs of the house too much aside from sleeping, so it should stay clean for a little while longer.
Cause without you everything stops. I'm feeling so lonely when you never phone me. I put your picture on my windowsill.
But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you for my next one. Bye!
But I want you close and I